It's got the stripes like a chickadee, but it's definitely not a chickadee.
Nope. And he definitely has a big beak on him.
Mm-hmm.
No way.
I know, exactly. There's the color.
Well, there's definitely something in the tree.
Aphids. There we go. Thank you for the pose. See, they're facile.